welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, it's going to be a random vlog. It's a realistic vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Right now I am going to go in my garden and pluck some flowers, so let's go. Guys, this is my garden. So this is carnation flower. I think it's going to bloom. See, the most favorite part of the year is spring. So these are feverfew, but not this feverfew, but another type of feverfew. It's very healthy, so I'm gonna pluck this stalk. This is the lettuce. Let's go. Guys, we are going in the field after a very long time. Stay tuned. Nengga namun ah. Ramsin, nanda loro sa. Nah, nanda loro sana. Nah, liro sala. Japanese date. Everywhere I go, we always drink tea first. Look at this. These are all passion fruits. So Sir is planting some trees over there, and after 5, 6, 7 years, he's thinking to open up a resort over here. So let's hope for the best. And all these passion fruit are their farms. Guys, Sandela local. Later on I'll take it. It started raining, drizzling a little bit, but it's okay. We're planting some cherry trees all over this border area. See guys, this is done by me. So after 5, 6 years, when I get married, I'll come and do my photo shoot here. So these are the cherry trees. I'll take 3 of them and go. Guys, look, I found this sandela. Let's take it out. So guys, right now I'm making chaldana for an order. So I've already put the oil in the pan and it's heating. I've put the ginger and garlic. I have soaked the chaldana for about 5 to 6 minutes. If it gets too soaked, it will be very soft in texture, so don't over soak it. Just soak 5 to 6 minutes and you get this nice half soak wala texture, no? I've put the chana and mix it over the ginger. Right now I'm making the hard one. Haven't put all the ingredients yet because it's still soft. The ingredient is very simple. You just need to add ginger and garlic and let it put the chana. This is the hard wala, dan wala. This is the dan wala here. So you have to keep on stirring until it becomes golden brown. Chili powder. Gonna add some local red chili powder. This is very strong. There we go. Gonna also add raja mirja. So I'm also gonna add this chopped dhania for flavor. Chaat masala for flavor. Guys, let's do it like this. Right now it's a little bit soft, but once it gets cold, it will be hard. Guys, the final product is here. I've already packed and it's ready to export. I am going to end my vlog from here. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, it was very random by the way. If you guys don't know, I also own a flower shop best at home. I will link the description here. You please go and check it out, and if you need a bouquet and flowers and all, do DM me on my business account. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys enjoy watching it, please do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.